This iKer engine motor mount set is tailored for Nissan Altima models with the 2.5-liter automatic drivetrain across a wide span of model years, making it a convenient one-stop replacement solution. The kit includes all primary engine and transmission mounts matched to original equipment part numbers, which helps ensure proper fitment and alignment without guesswork. Sturdy metal construction combined with durable rubber components, is designed to handle engine torque and road vibrations over the long term without breaking down quickly. Once installed, these mounts do a solid job of stabilizing the engine and cutting down on harsh vibration and noise in the cabin, which makes daily driving feel smoother and more refined. Enthusiast-oriented owners will appreciate that the mounts help maintain correct engine position, which supports consistent drivetrain geometry and better overall responsiveness. The set comes from a brand that focuses on replacement engine mounts, and the design reflects practical details that make installation and long-term use straightforward for do-it-yourself owners and professional mechanics alike.